output definition, output in a sentence, output pronunciation, output meaning. Welcome to another research paper word. American pronunciation of output. 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 Output as a noun means the amount of something that is produced or the results of a process. Common usages in academic writing: a higher output, a lower output, to record the output, the output efficiency, the output data, annual output, the normal output. Example sentences: output, noun. As the engine became more efficient, it was able to output much more power. Example sentence number 2. The annual output of a traditional automobile factory is dwarfed by the mega factories that have recently been brought online. The common academic writing variation is output, verb. You can output the image directly to the video recording system. Please write a sentence using output in the comments section. I will read it and reply. Now you know the pronunciation of output, the meaning of output, and output example sentences. I'll see you in the next research paper word video.